among gisugat guys, oh, si Sir Glenn, si Derek Bailey. Hi. Hello. Hello to my vlog. Ano ito? Hi. Nanang among gisugat, naabot na jud. Kami naguna diri kanina. Karon ana jud sila. Guwapo kay si Sir, oh. Hi. Si Mamo.
Nangutan na ni Diri ganina niya.
Dari ni ganina. Bukaron na?
Bukaron na.
Tabangi din. Kaya kung video. Okay, request na ba si Sir? Kuan? Request na ba si Sir Praise? Tuloy yun ni Degli. Ni Day. Kaya diba? Nice. Ano na silang duha. So nice. Okay. Picture day. Oh, atong mag-picture sa ta. Unya na kay ako mong picturean. Okay. Ako sa ano na lang? Ano na lang ka may bonnet. Kamu ato raman. Hi. Okay.
Wow.
Sir, i-appear sa mga atong video, sir.
Sige, sige ma'am. Napagod. Naka-record na ni ma'am.
Record na.
Sige, file.
Sige na, go, video. Okay, we have show.
Thank you, sir.
She wants her.
Sige, sige. Dili taday diri ta mo mag halikod. Ano ba?
Diri. Oh, asa man ni?
Dili dili. Karon mo ko ano.
Hold this line. Hold.
Ato ka soy. Ato ka soy.
Hold second.
Ano sir? Sir, ano?
Kumain na.
Hey!
Wow. Oh, that's it.
Bravo. Ay, nga mong gisugat ay nga pero sinulog. Wow.
Picking that green. Well,
Masakay namin. Ay, sorry.
Ano man?
second, yes. Okay. We're gonna have lunch up there.
That's my husband, Glenn.
Yes.
My husband, Glenn.
Very happily married. Is this two?
Yes, second floor.
Okay.
Kasi ganito lang. Namin sa second floor. Wala, baho sa.
Dili mo kanihan na ako. Wala, uy, namutan na mi. Wala ka magpulong mo na katakuan. Ay, dili mo na ako na
Hindi, sa makado. Kasi pambutong mo. Mo ni second floor sa Tower 1, guys. Ano rin kami kita ka sa video? Hi guys, na namin sa second floor, guys. Diri na day, diri na day. Sige.
Sige, mga na ka. Unsa ka ingon taon diri no?
Yeah.
Kanto ka day usa.
So are you all from Cebu or where are you all from?
Guys, from Cebu.
Cebu?
Cebu. From Cebu. Cebu
Well,
sa
we're gonna visit her family in Bohol.
Bohol. Together, Bohol.
Yeah.
We are together from Bohol.
Oh, you are all from Bohol. Oh, then we'll get together. We're gonna be here for 2 weeks.
2 weeks. You stay here?
Here, yeah.
Ah, okay.
This is what.
Then you go to Bohol.
Yeah.
Madulas kayo. Bugse.
Nikay.
Misay. Minisa. Asulo ka na yung blouse, guys.
Oh.
Asulo ka na yung blouse.
Ang ato din yung strip distributes.
So when did you all find out that we got married? Obviously, you know it. What's that? Huh? Oh, really?
Dili kami dun. Ako kami dili ba siya?
Yeah.
Ako ang medium. This is for you?
Okay. Yeah, thank you for getting the lunch.
Yeah, you're right. And this is for you, May. Okay na lang yung medium.
You know what to do that.
Ako large.
Oh. Where'd you get me that?
Klaro lagi. Ako ang tagonay. Klaro.
Look at that.
Ano ka, Day?
Yes. Asa yung classification? Dito lang ko.
Ako na lang mong duha, Day.
Look, that's gonna fit me perfect.
Day na nakaday, ne? Anak ka? Anak ka?
I'm gonna do it for lunch. So I will.
Oh, mahal.
I gotta take a picture of that.
Ang di naman kasi.
Salamat sa iyo. Dali pasensya na.
They have shrimp. They have shrimp.
Gloria, yapsinan dyan.
You're taking us to work because of us.
Yeah.
You owe them. Yeah.
That works. I like it. I have another shirt on.
Uy, kamu sa unang duka. Adi siya mo.
This is a lot. I have a big shirt on the I'm really hot.
Dali na, mag-ilis ka. Na, kasi. Ako ka masama ka dito. Tapos,
I will.
Sige, doon lang mag kami sa masungan. Lungan lang taday.
I know a little one. It's good that you got a large though. Because it'll fit me nice if I have this big heavy shirt on.
Pag-order na lang mo dyan.
Di ba ka mag-order?
Pagpili na lang.
I hope you're hungry.
Ano?
We'll get something. We'll get things. I know what Tanisha likes. She likes shrimp. She'll probably get this. She's gonna get something shrimp. I like noodles. Did you tell me where you got these? Oh, where did you get these?
Order,
at?
sir?
Huh?
Order.
Oh, you have to order it? Oh, okay. They just got it from me.
Okay.
But they are nice, aren't they?
Ordered from you?
Oh.
Kano?
538?
5:38.
538. I don't know. Is that a store?
Yes.
We ordered it for 538. They do look neat.
Thank you.
That's good.
Yes.
Yeah. That must be plastic.
Do you have one available right now?
What's that?
What sizes do you have available?
Wala available, sir.
Oh, you don't have one available right here.
Eh,
I'm sorry.
kahit anong-
That's
oh,
all.
Appreciate it.
She just bought it all for
for
us.
all my
Oh,
what's
okay.
next?
Thank you.
Making order lang, sir. Oo. Ano man?
Maybe the plastic cover. The plastic.
Cover it. You're not used? You're not used?
I don't want to put it on. We're all going to get something. We're all going to get something together here. I don't know what. Okay. Yeah, she's all excited to see you all.
Saan na nila?
How long have you known Felicia? Probably all her life.
What?
Have you known her all of her life? Or
Wala. Yes.
okay.
She is beautiful.
I think so, yeah. I think so too.
And very kind,
Yes, she is.
caring.
Yeah. That's why I married her. You're right. You're right. You're right.
How's your face?
Well, that was a challenge. I mean, our trip was good, but we were in the air almost for 17 hours, 18 hours. We had 3 different planes, and we started our flight on Thursday and got here today. So it was really a long flight. On one of the planes, it was like 14 hours. So,
Very kind.
yeah. So we're just going to take it easy tonight.
You want to relax.
Yeah.
Yeah, doon kayo pang check-in sa alas 2.
What's that?
Di pa dyan ka relax. Not yet to relax.
I didn't hear it. Say that again? Huh?
2 p.m. 2 p.m. to check-in, sir?
Oh, yeah. They weren't ready for the room because we came too early. They said anytime after 2 o'clock we might be able to find it. So we're going to have lunch.
Ay, luwag din mo medium, day.
Ha? Luwag mo medium na dahil? Oo. Sige na. Saka na. Balik na. Change? Oh, you wanna change?
No, I don't.
Bilhin ako.
I want to get this dressed up.
Okay.
So once you order a couple things,
Okay.
you can order a few other things. You can go there.
Okay. So you don't wanna change?
No, I do not want to.
Okay. Kamu dahil sa inyo, gusto mo din ng life.
If I want to get something, I want to get a drink. I'm gonna get a drink. Well, I'm gonna put this on the phone. I'm gonna put this on the
Okay.
phone.
Picture ang tasa mo? Sir. Go, sir. Go with...
In the middle here? And then I want to take a picture of you.
Kaisa, ha? Ako sa pangitaw picture, ha? Ako. Very caring.
Yes. Show me the lemons.
This is Martha.
Want me to open that for you? I'm so thirsty.
Happy birthday, friends forever.
Yeah.
To the Philippines. First step on the We met him 2001.
Pandemic.
September 2, 2001. This is the story.
Yes, you tell me the story now. Get out there.
I'm working as a home help. CNA, tapos home help. 2 course. Study at the same time. Tapos ang trabaho sa home help, home delivery. Ang clients na ako, akong gidala sa Miramar Lake. Nagdala sa Probica. Tapos you know the story already. This,
Go ahead, you tell them.
So, anyway guys, istorya pa namin. Ako bibili na akong client sa akong car. Tapos, ako, nagkura-kura ko, nagsilpi-silpi. Tapos, sabi ko na, sabihin,
Nakita niyo mo?
hindi ko lang ba? So, yun ko. Kasi patawa ko nila kung yan. Ito siguro tapos ko niya.
Yes, I remember this very well.
Kasi natin sa dapat sa Bisaya.
But he knows the story.
I know, yeah.
So, padayon ko lakaw, nagsiselfie, nagkulat sa akong kawalingon, kaya akong libigit akong client sa akong car. Siya kagawa, hito ko ang tingin. Ito sus, kagawa, hito ko ang tingin. Nakulat tiyan ko sa kanya akong tiyan. Nagmunda ito. Padayon ko, guys, padayon ko ba? Ito, pagbalik natin ko. 15 minutes pa man. Ako sa tanaw na kong picture again. Ito, sir. Ito, sir. Kaya I-sit. Dain. Nagkumyan niya, manipulalan ba? Kaya I-sit. Dain of your brain. Sure, why not? Nag-video, ang ingin ko. Gusto siya kikisurya. Ano, kunday. Ano ba yun? Wala ko sa likod ko. Hindi kita sa paligid ka na mga sabi ni Wela, dito na.
Go ahead, I'm listening.
Okay lang. Dito na, nangalang number. Siya ito sa kanan. Mora ka rin? Mora na yun. Hindi. Yung nito sa ngakan. Pag I-invite you a coffee, I said, no, I want to coffee that day. Maybe next time. Okay? So maybe next time, invite ko siya. Let's do dinner. I said, okay.
bilang
Go.
pa din naman.
This is a date.
Yeah.
This is just a date. Just put in your head. So next week again, bibili na sa atin, invite sa atin dinner. So this is the date. I said, no sir, sorry. I'm done. I don't need a man anymore. So this is gonna be this only. Was in yourself, this is your friend. And then I so 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days. No, sir. Just put in your head, you're a neighbor. I'm done.
Yes.
No. I am done. I don't need a man anymore. I can give myself without my family. I just go to work. It will be a good work.
Thank you.
So he tried himself because he loves me so much. And what did you do? What did you do, my dear? What did you do? Why I said yes, you are my girlfriend. What did you do?
I gave you a big kiss.
No, not yet. You forgot.
No, go ahead.
He invited me at dinner sa boat.
That's right.
Wow.
I did.
The story. And then he said, and then, so this is gonna be a date. I said, yes, this is a date, but no kiss.
Or hug.
Hug. Oh my God. So suddenly did you have to say, oops, okay, I did you have, but no kiss.
That's right.
That's
So,
me. That's me. You know, he said, wow. I can't believe it. I said, yes. Because why? I don't need a man anymore. Because I know myself. I can know myself, and I have family, and I'm still working hard. So I have to do my bills. That relax me so much. So I'm gonna do everything to you. So
Oh,
you
here,
can see
here,
your
here.
box.
This is how we met.
Very far. Very far. Very far.
It took me the longest time to convince her to be my girlfriend.
So long. I said
So,
Siyempre, I need man in my life. I can support myself. I am a good woman. I deserve it. So anyway, I said, okay, you're my boyfriend, but no kiss. Just wait until I say yes. So anyway, we engaged. Okay, we're a boyfriend now. We're a boyfriend. I mean, oh, this is, now we are a boyfriend. And we sleep inside the room and I said, oh, no.
yeah, I had to sleep on the lower
I
floor.
am not that kind of woman. Even if we are dating many times, even if your girlfriend are already, but you are not my sister. Even if for myself, even if everyone is around, I respect myself and then this is my right. You cannot sleep with me until I get married. So,
Till we get engaged.
oh yeah, so he sleep downstairs, I sleep upstairs.
I did.
You sleep downstairs, I sleep upstairs. I said, how's your sleeping? Very good. I said, oh no, that's not me. I respect myself. I'm still respect my parents. Like, never sleep a man without, be sure. So we engage.
Yes, sure.
Tell them about the story.
Huh?
Tell them about the story. How we engaged. Yeah.
Oh yeah, so we're gonna go and buy. First of all, I had to convince her to date. I said, "Are you gonna consider we're dating?" And it took me a long time to get that. And then after she finally agreed to date, I said, "Now I gotta figure out how I can get her to be my girlfriend."
Loves me so much.
So I took her out to a nice boat. I kind of then. So she accepted that. Yeah. Then I said, now she's my girlfriend. Now I gotta get her.
So anyway, we eat. I mean, we date and then we eat, right? I said, maybe let's look just look. We don't need a shopping.
Yeah, you should
Just
hear this.
look a ring, right? Just look a ring.
That's all we
I
have.
said, oh, people, I'm not really with that ring. But we just look, right? So anyway, the people who working over there, they're Filipino. They are Filipino.
Yeah, that's what the catch
people who are working at the dealer. So he was looking at him. And
We got engaged in probably October.
yung gayon ang tindihan na Pilipino nga. Which is different. This is really different. Filipino? Oo, like that. Which is different. Kung palit ka kasi mag-sing-sing, unya-unya na.
Yeah.
So, I told him, ako hindi na nga. Really ko gusto na magpalit ng sing-sing until yung may pakita na wala kayong utang. Pakita nga sana ako, hindi mo libayaran, hindi mo utang, sana magpalit ng sing-sing.
So I had.
Dali siya utang. Sino ka na mga credit card ba? Oo, mga credit card, di ba? Gusto natin makita ang balance ng mga credit card na sila na mag-pay off ka ng zero balance. So, nakita natin. Pwede na makakamit yung sing-sing. Sige, pwede na.
So I showed all my credit cards, they were all zero. I said, so now we can go out and look for a replacement.
He showed me, here, I don't have any balance here. I paid off everything. I said, okay, we can buy the ring too.
So we were looking around, so we were looking at that.
Why did you do that? I said, because I don't want you to scratch your head even if nothing changed.
Oo.
Kita niya nga wala dito sa ibutan.
Oh, yun.
Very good. Very good. Tapos ko gusto ng perfect sing-sing. Oh. Okay, kung perfect sing-sing ko makikita na wala yan.
You said there's a video of our.
There we go. I don't have any balance. I paid off all my credit. Feel good. Okay. Palitin na. Palitin sing-sing. What is it? What is it called? Princess Cup. Princess Cup Diamond.
Princess Cup.
What is a Princess Cup? Diamond.
That was the
Diamond.
engagement. Okay.
Tapos isang wedding ring.
And then the wedding kind of attached to it.
Buniti ba ito bang landiri mo? Naog naman mi.
May labot ang nagdaan.
Di ka ma-affect ka.
Kari ho, yapil lang.
They will follow you up.
Video niya kung photos eh. Oh, nice. Sir. Thank you. Ngayon tatag salamat.
Yakod mo, ma'am.
Sakay na sa live ko. Oh, ako yung tagay. TikTok ang mga dito. Gata na.